Hey guys, Crypto Mike here with the mic check 1 2 1 2. Is this thing on? Alright guys, today we're going to talk about Ren Protocol. Alright, this one I called probably more than a year and a half ago in May of 2020, and it's been doing well so far. Alright, so I want to show you that there was a huge upgrade just announced, today by Ren Protocol. And it was just an hour ago. Okay, now why does it matter? I'm gonna go ahead and show you a thread written by the ecosystem manager. Let me see, ecosystem advocate. So he's a big fan. He does deep research and he puts out good threads about Ren. And I'm gonna show you why I invested a lot of money into Ren just 2 days ago. Okay, I'll go ahead and show you this here. All right, host to host. While host to host is the biggest upgrade to Ren VM so far, it's important to note that there's an even bigger upgrade coming to Ren VM that will be rolling out over this and next year. That's bullish, guys. And by the way, it's up 15% in the last hour since this host to host was announced. Okay. It's the evolution of Ren VM into a full-scale layer 1 chain. Okay, that's very exciting. Now, I had a conviction about Ren when I bought it back in May of 2020. Okay, I had a conviction, and my methods. I'm not even gonna tell you why I had a conviction. Okay, I will. I got a sign. I had a sign from God. All right, it's crazy. I know. But I got a sign from God, and this one, there's something about it, Ren. So yeah, I was tweeting about it. I put this on. I did some YouTube videos on it back in May 2020. That's when I bought, and it was very cheap back then, like 9 cents. So it's done a 10x since then. Now, funny enough, it came almost nearly down to those levels. Just the other day, actually a few months ago, it dipped very hard and there was a glitch, and I don't know who, but someone bought up a heck ton of it, and it just wicked all the way back up. All right, so the same thing happened with Chainlink. All right, I don't know what's going on there, but obviously it was designed for someone or some institution, who knows, to buy at a very cheap price. Okay, so it's done well, and just today it's doing very well. Since my buy 2 days ago, it's actually just starting to explode up. I can see this going up in a staircase fashion, and then going parabolic, at least to $10. Okay, Ren to 10. All right, so let me go through this thread here. All right, so this guy's Maximilian Roscoe, by the way. Go follow him on Twitter. This means Ren VM will allow anyone to deploy fully cross-chain native applications on top of it, opening up a completely new design space. Cross-chain flash loans, AMMs, lending platforms, DAOs, arbitrage, and MEV bots in a new type of application that we've not seen before. Ren Labs will spearhead the first application built on top of Ren VM, which is Catalog Finance. It's a cross-chain trading protocol that will leverage native liquidity pools on top of Ren VM, as well as leverage liquidity that's in, for instance, Curve Finance. We also invite hungry developers to reach out to us if interested in building on top of Ren VM. We'd be able to support you technically as well as financially. So I'm going to go over this first thread here that he's referencing. The long-awaited host-to-host feature for Ren VM is getting closer to mainnet, which just was announced today. That's huge, guys. Okay, I think Ren is going to have an excellent December. And it's funny that they announced it December 1st. Okay, I think they were getting ready for that. This will be the biggest upgrade to Ren VM since the launch in Q2 of 2020. Host-to-host means Ren VM will be able to bridge native coins and tokens between the chains it supports, becoming a full-scale bridge. Bridge Magic Internet Money to Solana, USDC between Polygon and Avalanche, Solana to Arbitrum, BNB to Phantom, Curve LP tokens to a future chain integrated with Ren VM, etc. Okay, that's very important. This is huge. All right, that means it might be the most used bridge there is, while it's still just a bridge. Ren VM will go from supporting 7 assets, most legacy coins such as Bitcoin and Doge, to being also able to support most of the tokens in the crypto space, which is in the thousands. That's huge. I mean, huge. H2H will also make it easier and cheaper to move already wrapped tokens between smart contract chains. Cool. No longer do you need to go from Ren BTC to BTC before minting to another chain as Ren BTC again. You'll be able to go Ren BTC on Ethereum to Ren BTC on Arbitrum at once. So that's pretty cool. You'll probably avoid fees that way. This will be possible using a newly available transaction type in Ren VM called Burn and Mint that burns the wrap token on one chain and mint it on another without needing to move the underlying assets, and hence saving in transaction fees. There you go. Saving transaction fees. Ren VM is getting smart. Okay, I've always had a conviction in this one. Yeah, it really dumped hard after it went parabolic last summer, but now it looks like it's about to go parabolic again. With these upgrades comes extensive refactoring into the Ren.js developer SDK, which is what you as a developer can use to integrate cross-chain capabilities to your front end, as well as building your own standalone bridge. Ren.js now requires less dependencies, which came from the need to make it fully chain agnostic. This has significantly improved the security and developer experience working with Ren.js, as well as making it easier for the Ren Labs team to continue, maintain, and develop it. Too long don't read. This is the biggest upgrade to Ren so far. Soon possible to add thousands of new tokens to Ren VM. Easier to bridge already wrapped assets between host chains. Upgraded developer SDK. LFG, guys. Alright, so if you are in Ren, congratulations. This is probably just the beginning of a parabolic rally. If you're not in Ren, it might be one you want to check out. Alright, not financial advice. Okay, guys, that's pretty much all I had for now. I just wanted to show you that about one of my highest conviction coins that I haven't talked about in a while. So check it out. Hit the thumbs ups. Make sure you subscribe because I will be doing more and more videos. All right. And hit that notification bell. It really helps you because, you know, I'm going to give you some good financial opinion. Okay, guys. Love you guys. Crypto Mike out. Peace.